Mark from the Geek Church here, and today we've got another product from Anker/Eufy. Now, this is a company we reviewed a whole lot of products from, specifically Eufy. We've reviewed like several of their items. I think this isn't even the first time I think we've done a camera review, but this is something new. This is the Eufy S4 2-cam kit. It comes with a nice little, what do you call it, hub, and then it comes with the two cameras. And we are going to install this thing right after we unbox it, right after this. Okay, I think I might have said unbox it. I don't know where I got that term from. Okay, so yeah, like I said before, this is a company that puts out a lot of great stuff. We reconnected with them back at CES back in January. They sent us something here, and yeah, it's been heck just trying to just get things in order here, and I'm way behind as far as my gadget reviews. It used to be I put out a few a week, and I got sort of sidetracked with a different project with The Office in April and then in May, so I'm starting to really just kind of get back to what I need to do. And then, of course, during the holidays, we are really going to start to fluctuate as far as the whole product reviews goes. So how do we open this thing? Oh, here we go. All right, now. So in it, we have nothing? What? Okay, now, that's a twist, but it's a deliberate twist. I knew this was going into it. I knew this whole thing going into it. Because as it so happens, I thought I had footage of me unboxing this thing and then even setting up the cameras. I can't find that footage, so I decided to simply just redo the whole thing. So I just figured like, well, I usually start with unboxing, I'm going to do that. So I think what happened is I've actually already set this up, and I'm going to go into some more detail about that. We're going to cut to that footage right now. Well, hi there. Yes, as you can see, I've actually already got it mounted. And it's giving me live footage. And I'll just turn down the volume so you don't have to hear that. But some of the features here are kind of cool. Say, for example, like if I want it to move, I can actually kind of do that. Yeah, see that? Mm-hmm. And it's coming up here too. So that's often pretty good here. So let's see. What else can I do out there? Well, let's say I want to do an alert. Can I do that? Manual alarm. Let's just do sound only. Confirm. All right, can we get... Oh, shucks! Okay, I shut it off. It's mounted there. As you can see, I got the solar mount here, so it's absorbing all the solar energy, so it's not going to go out on you when you need it. It's really handy to have. I do have to admit, when I get a lot of interesting readings on this thing, there's been a few times in which like I've gotten things like just people crossing the street with their dogs. Sometimes that does happen, and I get an alert on it that appears in the corner right on my phone. So you got to like that. This is a really handy camera to have around, isn't it? And you know what? I have another one hooked up too, thanks to my 2 camera kit. Let me show you that one. Okay, you probably can't really see it now because it's super dark, but it's right here. And so, yeah, the important thing is it is seeing me. Yeah, as you can see, it doesn't even have its lights on, and I've got a really super good view. So that's always a little bonus. Now, can I turn on the light? I think I might be able to, but I'm not certain here. Does it have a light? Oh, here we go. There's the light. Okay, I knew I had control of that somewhere. So that's kind of a good bonus. All right, this is kind of cool. The image looks really good and in full color too. These images are really awesome looking, and I think I've got some good footage of me at this. So let's just cut to that. Okay, this is recording right now. I hope it's doing pretty well. So if it is, awesome. You can see the clarity of the shot here, and it's pretty close to sunset. If that gives you any good time as far as what it's going on here. Let's see. I'm going to turn on the light just to see if I can. And that's about there, but I'll do that better at night so you get a better thing. There's a pan tilt button here that is... Whoa, hey. Okay, so you can get a good chance of that. It goes up, goes
down. Not bad at all. Alright. Well, hopefully that'll give you a good idea as far as what this is capable of. Now, let's see if I can save my footage.
Okay, before I go to the footage, I wanted to discuss this. This is what it comes with. This is a hub that will connect to your Wi-Fi network, and then I believe the cameras connect through it. And then from there, you can get footage with all kinds of notifications, everything that you need for some good home security. Okay, everybody. Hey, I decided to make this video a little bit shorter. I think I've highlighted all the product's features here, and I just want to give you the price, and we're going to call it good for the day. So it's been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.